Yo guys, I don't feel well today, to be honest. I just took yesterday my second jab of the vax. I took Astra, so I'm fully vaxxed now. If you're interested, however, I feel like a shit today, so I'm sorry if today's vlog will be a little bit shorter. However, I'm today in the Central Park in Kuta, and this is not Central Park like in New York City, it's actually Central Car Park. And here is so many shops around, or used to be at least, because that was the huge plan, huge ambitious plan long time ago. However, right now it's not that busy. However, here is the big Ace Hardware. If you're looking to buy some home stuff, it's great shop, not paid endorsement for them. Anyway, if you ask me why I took the vaccine, I had basically, this is not my choice, because I was like really scared about the current situation. This is more likely I just don't wanna be a prisoner. I wanna be free. I wanna travel. I wanna go to the shop normally. So I had to take it. I took it. So I'm the good example for governments probably. However, I feel very bad today. I hope so tomorrow I will feel better. Anyway, so many buses here around. Anyway, I wanna talk a little bit about this place also, and few updates, few situations, what is going on around. First of all, a few days ago was the news as the Bali is open, international airport is open, and you can quarantine in Bali. This is already changed, it's not exist anymore, because the current limitations called PPKM are extended for another 2 weeks till the October. So basically you can come to Bali but still quarantine in Jakarta, not in Bali, and it's no flights to Bali at all. Second thing, there is the news about, in this place, it's gonna be IKEA or IKEA or whatever you call this. It's Swedish company with the furniture. They're gonna open somewhere here. I didn't find the building yet. Anyway, nowadays some new people complain about my accent, as I'm saying building instead of building, wear instead of wear, and stuff like this. I have only one word. I'm not native English speaker. I come from Europe. I speak the 5th most difficult language in the world as my native language. How many languages do you speak then? But everyone who loves watching my vlogs and you understand what I'm talking about, I love you guys as my subscribers, and you love watching my vlogs. Anyway, I used to live in Ireland, and there was some people who was saying Dublin or Dublin, but that was the same city, and everybody understood what does it mean. It's just the accent, guys, so don't need to make so much drama, and just relax, guys. Here behind me so many local Kuta Legian buses, stuff like this. So Kuta have actually public transport if you're interested. Anyway, another news is about the odd and even registrations who will be limited access to the Kuta beach and Sanur beach starting till end of this month. So basically, if your registration is odd, you can come 1 week, but next week you cannot come to Sanur or Kuta beach, and I don't know how it's gonna work, and that's gonna be only on weekends, during the peak time on weekends. So if something I will know more about that, I will let you know. However, probably just 1 week I will be allowed to go to the beach, other week no, or I can park the car somewhere here and just walk. I don't know how exactly gonna work. However, don't stress too much about that. So many buses here, and also bus like this one here also, like I said. Still looking for the IKEA shop. I don't know where it's gonna be. Also, one very important thing, what is very important for everyone who are in Bali or will come to Bali in the near future, because obviously you can come on the business visa or stuff like this. As everywhere now, if you wanna go to the shop, small shop or this shop or any kind of public place, it's also tourist attraction, everywhere, literally everywhere. You need to have a tracking app. Its tracking app is Penglu something, it's very difficult name. Basically, you need to be vaccinated, at least 1 dose, otherwise you cannot go to shop, and now you cannot go even to Minimart or like Indomaret or anywhere. So, and this app, it's tracking your single move, even if you are asleep and you didn't switch off this app, it's tracking your phone wherever you are. So that's actually quite serious thing. I think I'm not gonna comment too much about that. I just wanna let you know. So basically you need to be vaccinated and having this app. If you wanna go to this shop, you have to scan the QR code and then you can get inside. If you are not vaccinated, you cannot go anywhere. So that's why at the beginning of the video I said, as I took the vaccine, and at least I'm not the prisoner here or anywhere elsewhere around the world, and I wanna travel. So I hope so. Maybe at the end of this year or beginning of next year you will see more travel vlogs, not only limited to Bali. However, I feel not good now. I have not even energy to hold my camera today. Guys, I'm gonna look for the IKEA shop. And also one thing what I forgot to mention, nothing has changed. Even I'm fully vaxxed, I still have to wear mask even I'm alone in this huge parking area in the open air, and nothing has changed. So it's very, very, very strict here. You can comment below what do you think about these restrictions here. Not me to making my opinions on this forum, but like that I just have to respect the local law, right? Yeah, here we go. Here's very nice car. Not sure what was that actually, but it's pretty cool. Well, not much left inside, and I don't know, it's probably Holden, right? I think so, it was Holden, but PTS is destroyed like this. Anyway, the boys doing some photo session here. Here supposed to be very modern, a very beautiful mall, open air mall with the many businesses around. Look at these decorations, actually so cool. And here is the G-Wagon, the old G-Wagon actually. Really, really nice. Alright guys, I found this IKEA gonna be here behind me. They are still under construction, but the stickers are already on the windows. They are gonna be IKEA, so if they're gonna open, I will come check in for you guys and check this out, the shop. Meanwhile, that's it from me for today. I hope so you enjoyed. I'm gonna go home, take a rest, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, take care guys.